good morning. Great time for me to pick up the camera. The beautiful sounds of the city. Anyways, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 5, 6. Day 6. And I'm currently running late for work. However, this is not one of those videos where I'm like, get ready with me when I only got 5 minutes to get to the airport. No, this is one of those like, I know I'm running late. I've accepted it. It is what it is. And it's okay. Like, it's gonna be okay. Again, my phone did not tell me that it was already raining. All the weather forecasts are for the afternoon. And then when I walked out there, it's already raining. So Becky got wet and it was just not fun. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a jacket. It is white. It is going to rain today, so I'm probably going to take my ski jacket because it's the only one that like is solid black color. Probably going to wear my Doc Martens. Today I'm wearing the same outfit, different turtleneck that I wore to the party this weekend. And yeah, I just gotta get ready really quickly and head out the door. I think I forgot my introduction. Hi, I'm Brenda. I'm a paralegal here in foggy San Francisco. Today I am working in one of the offices, which is my least favorite location. It's all the way towards like Baby Hunter's Point, which the issue there is not the neighborhood. The issue is getting to the neighborhood. Regardless of where you are in this, well, not regardless. If you are in Excelsior, you probably have a faster commute to the Bayview. But if you're anywhere else in the city, the commute is just always, it's gonna take you like an hour. You might as well be traveling across the Bay Bridge over to a different city with how long it takes on public transportation to get to the Bayview. I just got home after like an hour commute. I think the Warriors are playing today, so there's a lot of traffic. And usually my commute to Bayview is like excessively long. I think if my commute was only to Dogpatch, it wouldn't be too bad. Because Dogpatch is a lot closer, but Bayview is just so hard to get to. But usually on Wednesdays, after coming back from Bayview, I am completely pooped out and drained. I'm ready to put on my jammies. Oh no, I guess take it easy or something. I don't know. Honestly, like being on a train for an hour or less is just ugh. And it's not like I'm traveling outside of the city. I live in the city and I'm traveling within the city. So to me, the commute should be shorter, but unfortunately it is not. All right, I put on this little thing to keep my hair out of my face. And I'm actually surprised, a side note, that my lipstick has stayed on. I'm wearing the Dior Rouge Dior Forever and Forever Radiant 840. Do I recommend this lipstick? Not really. Unless you have money to spare, but if you're looking for like a good lipstick, it's not it. I have it in a lighter color and it does not survive as well. Grabbing my iPad, I gotta cook dinner. The dog is following me, but don't be fool. She has a full bowl of food that she's refusing to eat because it's not the food that she likes. In this household, we eat what we're given, and if we don't like it, then we don't eat. If you're the baby of the house. Now, if you're me, then it depends how our bank account is looking. So lazy. Tonight's menu, not that I'm a chef or anything. Cooking is not really my thing, so is what it is. But white rice, I have some salmon, and I think I have asparagus. I didn't buy lemons because now that I think about it, it's like, oh, I can make it with like lemon slices, but I did not buy that at the store. I only have tangerines, or like the little, yeah, tangerines, and I'm not gonna use that. But I hate going in on Wednesdays to this office. The issue is the office. It's not the going in part, because I enjoy going into the other offices. It's that office. Like, the commute is just so long for no reason, so draining. And some people might be like, take it, it's an opportunity to read a book. I get car sick. It's the worst thing I discovered, because like I started doing that, reading on the train, and I would get car sick, and I would wonder, why am I feeling so like nauseous and stuff? And it was because I was reading, so I had to stop reading on the train because I get I get motion sickness. It depends on the day. Some days I am good and I can read. I usually try and read like one chapter, and then from there just like look at the commute, like look out the window. But yeah, motion sickness is so real. I don't mind commuting anywhere else. It's just that one. I also have like a slew of like dishes that they just need to go in the dishwasher. Oh my gosh, I hate how tired I get. My makeup remover, I think they're both the brand. I'm sorry, my face is probably going to be cut out, but I think they're both the makeup brand. But yeah, usually, I think I've mentioned before, but my skin is very my skin is sensitive to skincare products. Makeup I usually am okay with, knock on wood. But when it comes to skincare, my skin is just very peculiar. So I can't use makeup wipes because I'm allergic to them. I tried the sensitive wipes and I break out in like a rash on my face, or like the hives, I guess would be the best way to describe it. So had to come up with my own method of removing my makeup. And I have always double cleansed. So the issue is not double cleansing. I always double cleanse before it was cool. But yeah, I use the pharmacy clearly clean cleansing balm, and I believe this one is meant for sensitive skin. I usually like take a small amount, and it kind of, because I used to use coconut oil, so it kind of resembles coconut oil but in a more effective way. And yeah, I mostly use it to remove my eye makeup because I wear waterproof mascara. That is the secret that I've learned for my lashes to hold a curl. If not, my lashes do not hold a curl. Even when I got the lash lift and I used regular mascara, my eyelashes couldn't hold the curl from the regular mascara. This is what I do, and usually like the balm is really good at melting things away, and then I go in with the wash with like my little makeup removing cloth to remove the balm, because I feel like if I wash it away, it doesn't wash away from my face. Like it gets, I don't know, I just don't think it works for me very well just to use the balm. I've done it before, but I think it just takes a lot more balm and a lot more water for me to get all the makeup off my face during the first round of cleaning. I will do it to like wash my hands because the product is on my hands and it washes away quite well, and it also adds water so that I can use my facial cleanser. I use Kiehl's again because I have sensitive skin, and it works. That's my third bottle. I will say my only complaint is that it can be drying, but now that I've used the toner, it's not as drying anymore. Or maybe my skin has changed or something. I don't know. And I just realized I didn't put the rice. Alrighty, now I'm gonna use a cotton pad and my Neutrogena Garnier micellar water and like the mattifying formula. And it's not that it mattifies, I don't think it mattifies, but I feel like the pink one at least is very oily on my skin, it feels like. And I feel like this one is kind of like, it's not mattifying, it's just not oily. And on days like this where I do a horrible job at taking off my makeup, it kind of helps me ensure that I did like completely remove it. But yeah, today was not a good day to show you my removing technique because I did horrible on it. But because it is nighttime, I'm gonna use my sleeping mask, or my, what's it called? Super Berry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask from You to the People. Would I recommend it? It's alright. I think, yeah, it's alright. I want to try a different brand of like sleep mask, but nothing says I won't return to using this one. So far my skin has reacted okay to it, but would I say like, ooh, miracles? No. I do appreciate that it has, I think, what does this one have? Vitamin C. Because I had an extra serum for vitamin C, so it's kind of nice for it to all be in one. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, and I put it underneath my eyes because sometimes I don't want to use my cream on my face. And then whatever's left, I just drag it onto my neck.
I can meet every one of the district's managers.
I am very... What if get a millisecond off of this video? Lock on the desk.
Mrs. Howard, Gregory, I'm glad you're in one place. I have an emergency. What's that? But she kind of pretended like it wasn't a big deal.
Really?
My sister ended up calling me, so I didn't film me cooking. However, I did burn the salmon, but yeah, that's what we're having today. Just rice, asparagus, and salmon, burnt salmon. But had I not been talking on the phone, it would have turned out just fine, I want to believe. But it's still delicious, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat while watching a rerun of Abbott Elementary, because right now this is like palate cleanser and just a homey like show, just something that brings me so much comfort, because I don't know why I love this show so much.